Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products behind me. This is a 10 feet, 120 inches, the stainless steel sinks with a gym board on the side. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For this sinks, totally will be about 120 inches. And the height for the unit is about almost 43 inches tall. And the depth for the units, they are about 30 inches. For the side of the gym boards, they are about 22 inches. 22 inches wide and the 26 inches deep. From the gym board edge to the bottom, they are about 36 inches tall. And as we can see, the units, they come with 3 compartments, and we can take a look at the measurement for the inner side. For the sinks, they come with 2 holes on the side, and they can mount the 2 faucets of the units. These 2 holes from center to center, the diameter is about 8 and 1/4 inches. And for the sink size, for each of the sink, they are about 24 inches wide and 24 inches long, and the depth about 12 inches. The units also come with 3 filters for each of the hole. This is all measurements information about the products. If you have more details, feel free to contact with us.